Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 504 or known as the gateway timeout error in your Chrome browser. So for that, let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type Chrome, click on it. Or if you are already on the website where you are having the trouble with, just try to simply click on this reload button, reload this page. Try to reload the page and try to see if the problem has been fixed. But if reloading the page doesn't fix your problem, then we need to move to this next method. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, which is to customize and control your Chrome browser. Scroll down and in the list of options right here, you'll find settings option, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find this option privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Scroll down and you'll find the last option, which is site settings, controls what information sites can use and show, including location, camera, pop-ups, and more. Click on that. Scroll down a bit and you'll find content, third-party cookies. Now it could be cookies and other site data for your under this one. Now simply click that option, which is the first option under the content. Scroll down, you'll find this option, see all site data and permissions. Now it could be see all cookies and permissions. In your case, well, this is just the same. Click on that. Then you can just simply search for the website where you are having the trouble with. Or you can directly click on this option, delete all data or remove all. Click on that. And you will be asked to delete all data. You'll be signed out of all sites, including in open tabs. Any offline data will be deleted. Anyway, you have to click this option, delete. After that, close your Chrome browser, launch it again, and this time that 504 error will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.